Okay, my second attempt at Facebook Live. Crystal and I are going for a bike ride, and I wanted to see if I could stream it live instead of having to upload to YouTube first. So far it's working out, but we'll see if it keeps working out. Ready to roll? Okay, here we go. Riding around the hood. This is Caribbean Drive on Summerland Key. I'm on a Pedigo 2015 Pedigo 28-inch step-through city commuter. It says I can view my live stream, so I'm guessing it's probably working good. All right, I figured out a new toy. We have a signal for when cars are coming around us. So it says I can view my live stream, so here we go. We'll try that too. That'll probably screw things up. Okay. I don't know if it screwed things up or not. Hopefully we're still streaming. It says we're live. Okay then. Crystal's giving me the signal for car coming up behind us. There we go. Okay. I could have done this at a little bit higher resolution, but I was afraid it might not work. I still have no clue if this is even working. Somebody throwing something out. It almost looked like a heater.
It's a Lazy Susan.
A Lazy Susan, I am told. Alrighty. We're gonna stay in the neighborhood for a second because I'm gonna stop this video and see how my live stream worked. If it actually worked well, I might go over to the airport or something. No, I'm gonna go down to the end of the street, just staying in our neighborhood. Caribbean Drive West. You can't use your iPhone for a live stream because it picks up all the bike vibration, and I don't want to ride around with my iPhone in my hand. But here I tried using an iPhone for a hotspot, and then you have to have my iPhone to control the GoPro 8 because I got a Hero 8, and then somehow it connects to the hotspot on the telephone. Seems like kind of a dumb situation to me, but whatever. Okay, that was the ocean off to the right. Actually, it's Summerland Key Cove, but it is the Atlantic Ocean. Here's where my boat mechanic lives. Besides me, of course. He's the number 2 mechanic, because I'm the number 1 mechanic. Okay. Getting a little wind here. I'm assuming you can probably hear it. Okay, we're heading back into the subdivision. I'll take you to one of my favorite spots to watch the sunset. Got a seasonal rental. Somebody's got a house on the market as they're building it. I think I seen it listed for about $2.5 million. My next door neighbor has this listing. Island Welcome Real Estate. Okay, we're getting back towards, what do we call that thing? This Lazy Susan?
Yeah.
Okay.
What it looked like to me, looked like a corner cabinet that's falling apart that they had to lazy.
How much is that house?
That's over $1 million.
Okay, how much is this house?
That's over $1 million.
Huh, okay.
I think the one was $1,000,001 and the other one was like $1,003,000.
I can tell you, if this is gonna work out, I'll probably take a bike ride down to Key West. Maybe.
Go get a slush.
There you go. We'll show people how to Sonic
That's right.
on their bicycle. Crystal has a Track Verve 3. Is it Verve or Verge?
I don't know.
Yes, you do.
I can't read it.
I can't either.
I don't know what the hell it is. I just know
Anyhow, she's got a step through also. And it's pedal assist. How many miles you got left till it runs out?
So it runs out of juice.
How long?
In my eco mode, I got 125 miles.
125 miles. Mine don't have a mileage meter, but I know how far it goes. If I pedaled the whole time, I could probably squeeze at the most 40 miles out of it, because it usually is about dead at 36 miles. Okay, there's Team Mullins. How much is that one?
I just saw that too. I want
Hey.
to say that one.
There's a cool motorhome. I'm gonna go right turn. I had to show him the cool motorhome.
Oh, good.
You know anything about that?
Cool motorhome?
Yeah. Oh, he's got the Freeman down in the water. Too cool.
Totally that it's ours.
Okay, we're going down to the ocean. I'll show you my favorite house. And there's a real nice lady that lives there. Always inviting me to fly my drone out on her seawall and
She
watch
wants
the
us to watch
sunset.
the sunset there.
Such a nice person, you can't even imagine it. Most people are the exact opposite.
Isn't that true?
Okay, so over here is all the mansions. And here's where I watch the sunset. Man, it's windy here. There's one going out. Looks like fun. Crystal left without me. That's a good place to watch the sunset. And then down here at the end of the street is a good one too. So whenever Woodhaven gets into the 20th century, they'll quit talking about electric bikes and move on to something else that's important. I've ridden mine thousands of miles without any trouble, and I'm sure there's plenty of other people that have too. So this is the canal that leads out to the ocean. We're facing towards Key West right now. You can watch the sunset here. It's kind of a house in the way, but it's not too bad. If you watch it up there where I just was, it goes right down the channel. Okay. I'm nearing the end of my test session. And if this works out well, we'll go have another live and go look at some airplanes. You want to look at some airplanes, Crystal?
That's up to you.
Okay, she said that's up to me, so we might just have to go do that. This is the loveliest house around as far as I'm concerned. Very nice. Okay, I'm heading. Okay, here we go. I heard noise. Well, as long as they ain't shooting at us. Okay, what I'm gonna do is go see how my live stream worked. We'll go under the house so I can connect to my Wi-Fi and see what's up. See if anybody's watching. Oh, incidentally, it's like 85 degrees today. About the same as it's been for all winter.
Yeah, we're having record highs for some
Yep.
reason.
Oh, they went fishing.
Oh boy.
Cleaning fish. Okay. Watch the corner. Okay. Heading under here to see how my live stream worked out. I think it probably worked out. Go back here, sit down at my picnic table. So, let me check my live stream and maybe we'll be back later.